Hi friends, you're watching GATE Helpline. In this video, we'll see all aspects of GATE 2021 Computer Science. Friends, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the latest updates regarding GATE exam. So let's start with highlights. Oh, not the India versus Australia highlights. We'll start with GATE 2021 highlights. So first is GATE 2021 is computer-based test. Second, the online test will have MCQ, MSQ and numerical questions. MSQ is newly introduced and we will talk about this shortly. Third, GATE score is valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of results. Fourth, GATE 2021 onwards, third year students are also eligible to appear in GATE exam. So friends, let's start with the common question of every aspirant, that is GATE 2021 eligibility criteria. So friends, the eligibility criteria are very simple now. A candidate who is currently studying in third year or higher year of any undergraduate degree program or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce and arts are eligible for GATE exam. Second is there is no age barrier to apply for GATE exam. So friends, now BSc, BA, BCom, BSc Honours, BCA, BTech, all students of third year or higher can apply for GATE exam. So friend, in this section we'll talk about GATE 2021 Computer Science exam pattern. So the exam pattern is this, where the exam mode is online, number of questions are 65, total marks is 100, type of questions are MCQs, MSQs and NAT. Number of sections are 3, that is general aptitude, engineering, mathematics and subject specific questions. Total time duration is 3 hours, that is 180 minutes, and there is no sectional time limit. So we are given with 3 hours in which we need to complete all 65 questions, and the questions are MCQs, MSQs and NAT, and the exam mode is online. So this is all about exam pattern. So friends, in this section we'll talk about GATE 2021 CS sectional weightage. So we'll first see an overview. For GATE paper CS, the total marks are 100, which are divided into general aptitude 15 marks, subject carries 85 marks. So the GATE CS sectional weightage is engineering mathematics carries 13%, general aptitude carries 15% and remaining CS topic carries 72%. So friends, this is an overview of the sectional weightage for CS GATE paper. So friends, in this section we'll see GATE 2021 previous year marks analysis. And friends, this is the table where we are given with the subjects and the respective questions for 1 marks and 2 marks. So friends, this table will help you in planning that which subject you need to prepare more, as the number of 2 marks questions are coming from that, or you need to prepare for 1 marks questions. So respectively you can choose the subject and plan for your GATE exam. So this is all from previous year marks analysis. In this section we will see GATE 2021 subject wise weightage for computer science. So this is the table. Subjects are given on the left and weightage for each GATE year is given on the right hand side. So friends, we'll see the latest, that is for GATE 2020. So in GATE 2020, engineering mathematics carries 5%, computer organization carries 11%, operating system carries 10%, DBMS carries 8% and general aptitudes carries 15%. So friends, with the help of this table, you can see which subject you want to prepare for GATE 2021 and you can see the previous year weightage for that particular subject. So it will help you in preparation for your GATE 2021. So friends, the same table of subject wise weightage for computer science we have represented in a graphical format here. So friends, here if you see, the general aptitude section is having constant weightage throughout the years, and in engineering mathematics we had seen a severe decline in the weightage. Similarly, if you see for operating system, you will see a steady increase in the weightage and then few constant bars. So friends, here you can compare all the previous years weightage of all the subjects and you can plan accordingly. In this section, we'll see GATE 2021 strategy on subjects for computer science. As we have seen the weightage for each subject, now we will see what will be our strategy on subjects while we are choosing them and preparing for GATE 2021. So friends, subjects are listed on the left hand side and their percentage of questions on the right hand side. So here if you are going for C programming, then you should consider data structure and algorithms as well, because all these three are having similar kind of questions and they might get clubbed. So it will be good if you go for all these three subjects, and the percentage of questions will be 20%. Similarly, digital logic, computer architecture and operating systems, these questions also get clubbed, and the percentage of question is 20%. The third one is discrete mathematics and engineering maths. So if you are considering any of the subject, then you should consider both these, and the weightage is 20% here. Similarly, for DBMS and computer network, and the total percentage of questions is 25% here, and general aptitude is left alone. So general aptitude you should consider preparing because it carries a weight of 15%, and this is constant throughout from last 4-5 years. So friends, this is a kind of strategy you should have on choosing the subjects for computer science. So friends, just an appeal from our side. As you see, 84% of viewers are not subscribed and only 16% are subscribed. So please subscribe by pressing the red subscribe button below the video to get all the latest updates from our channel. In this section, we'll see GATE 2021 qualifying marks for computer science, and the table shows all the cutoffs of previous year GATE exam. And one thing to note is all the scores are less than 30. So if you are focusing just to crack the GATE exam, then you should prepare to get at least 30 marks and you can crack GATE exam. Friends, in this section we'll talk about GATE 2021 type of question. And the first type is MCQ. MCQ stands for multiple choice questions, and they are of 1 marks and 2 marks. For correct answer will be awarded with 1 marks and 2 marks, and for each wrong entry we will be deducted with 1/3 marks and 2/3 marks respectively. And the next category is NAT, that is numerical answer type. In numerical answer type, we will be given with the filling the blanks, where no options will be given and there is no negative marking in NAT questions. The next and the newly added is MSQ, that is multiple select questions. Here there is no negative marking for wrong answers in MSQ questions. However, there are no partial marks awarded for choosing partially correct combination of choices or any single wrong choice. That simply means it is a selective kind of question. So more than one answers will be correct, and if we choose partially correct combination of answers, then we might not get any marks for that respective question. But yes, there is no negative marking for MSQ and NAT both. So that's all for type of questions. As now we have a plan and our focus is also clear that what is the amount of marks we need to achieve. So in this section, we'll talk about GATE 2021 syllabus for computer science. Syllabus is a key to success. If you don't know the syllabus, you will end up wasting your time on wrong things or wrong topics. So friends, GATE 2021 has revised the syllabus this year. So syllabus for each of the papers has been revised for GATE 2021, and for CS revised syllabus, click on the link above the blue arrow. So we had provided the link here. You can go and watch a separate video which is based on the revised syllabus for computer science. So friends, a humble request. No, it's not regarding you coming out of your houses in COVID situation. Actually, ideally it's good if you are staying at your home and preparing well for GATE 2021. But our concern is you should stop wasting your time on watching YouTube's unrealistic videos about cracking GATE exam. One of the thumbnail is this one, that is how to crack GATE in just 7 days. We know these kind of thumbnails attract you, as we had seen plenty of shit like this which are having thumbnails like how to crack GATE exam in 10 days, how to crack GATE exam in even 1 day. So friends, if you just want to crack GATE exam, then it's fine. But if you are behind knowledge, then you should not go for these kind of videos and wasting your 40 minutes. Better create your own plans and regularly keep an eye on GATE 2020 official site for updates. If you have plenty of time, then I think you should watch movies like 3 Idiots and get inspired and go for knowledge rather than watching these kind of videos and wasting your time. Best of luck. So friends, thanks for watching our video. Please like, subscribe and share our videos to appreciate our work. If you have any doubt or question, Please comment below.